Hello, I'd like to talk to you about solving equations part 2 on page 674 of your book. On this page you'll find this problem: 1/7 times the quantity x minus 3 equals 3. We want to solve this equation. We want to find out what number you substitute in for x that would make this true. The way you want to do that is you want to get x by itself. You want to rearrange this equation so you have x equal to some number. So you want to get rid of the 1/7 and the minus 3. So the question is, how do you do that? Well, there's more than one way to work this problem. So how do we get the x by itself? Well, I'm going to start with the 1/7. This is 1 divided by 7. I want to get rid of this 1/7. Well, what's the opposite of 1 divided by 7? What's the opposite of division? Well, it's multiplication. If we multiply both sides by 7, that will take care of the 1/7. So I'll multiply what you do to one side of the equation, it's important to do to the other side. So I'll multiply each side by 7. You can always put 7 over 1. Now you divide 7 here, you divide 7, you're just left with 1. So that takes care of the 1/7. So now we have x minus 3, and 3 times 7 is 21. Now we want to isolate the x, so we got to get rid of the minus 3. So how do we get rid of minus 3? Well, what is the opposite of minus 3? Well, plus 3. So what I'm going to do is add 3 to both sides. If I add 3 to each side, here we'd have x, and this would be 0. So x plus 0 would just be x, and then 21 plus 3 would be 24. So that solution to the problem, or the answer to the question, is 24. We can always check our answer. We go back to the original equation. If you put in 24 in place of the x, you should get a true statement. So I'm going to take 1/7, and instead of x, I'll write 24. If I subtract 3, so if I do what's in the parentheses first, follow order of operations, 24 minus 3, that's 21. And then is 1/7 of 21 3? Yes. And so this problem checks. Hope this helps.